What's up guys? Welcome to my YouTube channel. Hashtag Truth Mahin sa Vlogs. Guys, yung araw, pinapapatmasan din dahil ito ang aking kamay. See? Wow! Say hi to my left eye.
Hi!
Isa siyang Nepali guys. Dito na sa kabilang sila. Ay! Hindi mo guys. Kasi kamay mo. Hindi. Oh.
It was dry, I don't know it.
Really?
Really?
Alam mo, gusto ko mag-friends sa pagpapaktisan ng aking kamay. Pero alam mo, dito ako napunta sa
Mas maganda kung sa natututo ka sa video. Mas maganda. Kasi pag Uy! Very nice, I do. No problem.
even though I didn't buy my lens, sponsor. Professional yan si Day. You know, when I'm doing French, I am using the brush for the black. Yeah.
Don't move, baby.
I'm not moving. Good friend.
Baby. You move, baby.
Like the customer.
Yeah.
You must look at that one. Aran ang tika mo. Big.
No, I big. Huh? I big.
Wala.
Yes. Muy.
Complete.
I don't know.
Oh? You also?
Yeah, nothing.
Marie also. Marie and Joe.
Same my update.
Oh. See my plate. I always bring at home. In the afternoon. At night, when we go. I always keep it in my bag.
That time not gift. What's okay? It's okay, no problem.
So guys, ito ang kamay na hindi pinafile ni Daimika. Pero nagagawa niyang French. Diba? Amazing!
Wow.
Hanggang dito na lang ang ating sa araw na to. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. At para updated kayo sa aking mga videos, pindutin lamang ang notification bell. Maraming salamat.